Well, well, well. What a beauty. Okay, now this here is the real deal. It's a Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist. And this is from the Edo period. This is real deal old school. You'll find, I'll get to the stand a bit later. It's huge. Check this. It's just huge. You'll find that it's got, this comes with it, real deal. So you get the striker, the bell, these old cushiony things in there, and the stand itself. This chair thing, that's mine. Anyways, I've got a whole bunch of other cool stuff. You'll see I've got some more Buddhist things. I'll get to that. Got some really cool thing over here. This is the real deal. I'm gonna have to. That's the real deal. They're very rare, especially if they have all the bells, and they're all working too. So that's that. But I'm still, still trying to work on all this. Getting there. Anyways, right, now, I guess what you want to hear is, hear it, and not me. Check this out. What a beauty. Experimenting using the more solid area where the seam is. I don't want to. You don't strike them very hard at all, anyways. But there you are. It's a sweet piece. In some of the shots I just took of it, I think due to the glare, it might look like there might be some kind of dints and things, but it's not. It's just glare. That's all. You'll find that this is just, look at that. Oh, just got wow written all over it. That's a wow bell. That truly is. That's a wow bell right there. Okay. That's just a beauty. Struck that a bit lower. Now you'll find if you strike to the edge itself. So experiment with it, and you'll find you can be more consistent. It's not the bell, it's me. You see? And especially if it's sitting upon the cushions themselves. Under this is all concrete, so it's like that. So you get there. It's just a beauty. Okay, well, obviously you know that. Real deal. Look how old school this is. I mean, this is a real deal piece of history. Piece of Japanese history right here. Now, the stand itself. Some old cushions. They can be utilized just like that, really, couldn't they? Okay, now the stand itself, very, very old, very, very beautiful. And I found, you see these cuts here, these angles, what you want to call them, eaves. The one here is non-existent now, so a little piece broken out there, and yet it still commands grandiose beauty, does it not? Wow, that's a beauty. That's, yes, a piece of history. Now I can send it via cell economy air. I think I'm going to have to reinforce the box in order for this to make it safely. I could send it via EMS, faster air, more expenses, you know, might turn people away, so I think I'll just have to reinforce the box and go that way. But it'll happen. So to summarize, you receive this, as you obviously know. Absolutely beautiful. Now, a lot of bells you'll find that have cracks, visible cracks. Some have hairline cracks, and what that does is just basically it diminishes the sound excessively, which renders the bell useless. But I have come across one that in this, and I do on occasion, that is perfect, you know, perfect in every way, and the age factor also for this. This is the real deal. So I'm gonna have to, you know, I didn't get it for free. I can tell you that, and therefore I'm gonna have to ask at least a fair price. Okay, now I will be listing a few other things. I have a lot of Buddhist compliments here. There's all kinds of. There's another bell set actually, but a lot of these things are incense holders, candle holders, things on those brass pieces. This will be in another listing, but some real deal beautiful stuff here. That's real deal right there. I mean, in general, you would have something like that, you know, on either side, and all that. But that's I feel that if I sold it all as a complete set, which this did not come with that in the first place, the weight and everything, I think that this sort of thing might possibly go via sea freight. Possibly, I'd have to really go through it and see if anything really could be destroyed in sea freight. So possibly sell again economy air, but that's another listing altogether anyway. So that's that. And I have some really groovy things. Imagine having this in your garden. This is a Golden Toro, a 5-tiered temple. You see these in Japanese gardens. It's all cast iron, so very heavy. It can go via sea. Oh, hang on, possibly. Depends on size. We'll figure something out there, but that's really something. But I'll get to that. That's really cool. I've got some amazing fans, and you'll see in my listings I also have some other really cool fans. I've got this really cool thing. No idea what it is, but some kind of ARS knitting machine. Knitting machine, some old school knitting machine. Looks really, really cool. I have no idea what it's worth, so I'm just going to sell it really cheap. But that's not my area. I'm certain I've sold some things that are worth just ridiculous amounts of money for just about nothing, but you could give me a diamond, I wouldn't know what to do with it, you know. Gems, block of gold, wouldn't know what to do with it. Anyways, that's that. And that is, wow, you know, that's just, yeah. So hopefully you won't buy it right away so I can hang on to it for a while. But then I'll probably starve. Right then, I'm going to get to doing something about these. I do enjoy having these as a background, but yeah, I'm going to have to do something about these.